Really hope everyone's well and having a fantastic day. Today I've actually peeled the potatoes and forgot to start recording. I'm just having a bit of a mare. So yeah, I'm having a roast dinner today. I've peeled the potatoes, I've chopped them, I've added some salt already, about, I don't know, between 2 and 3 second pour of salt into the potatoes, and they're actually boiling at the moment, so here I am trying to catch up with myself. So here's the potatoes in the pan, already boiled. I'm just supposed to have on a rolling boil for 5 to 10 minutes, then I'll drain the water and then I'll just put the lid on and let them sit there for maybe another 5 to 10 minutes until they start to flake a little bit, and then I'll put them in the pan with some oil and pop them in the oven. Got a Yorkshire pudding to do as well, or Yorkshire's puddings to do, should I say. Potatoes on a rolling boil. They've got about 6 minutes left, I think. Right, that's them about done. Just going to drain the water off them and put the lid back on. There's the before. Oh. There's the after. Just fluffed them up a little bit, roll the pan around a little bit, and I'm just going to chuck them in the frying, pan. No, I'm going to put them in the baking tray. Just going to turn these couple of hobs on. So that one, just put it on a low, and this one here, it's low anyway because it's a small one. Just going to put the oil on there in the tray, and hopefully I can get that looking somewhere down there. There we go, starting to smoke. Good time to get them potatoes in there. Turn it off. Going to brush them potatoes up a little bit. Might have slightly overcooked them, but it's all good as long as they don't fall apart. Just don't tell my wife. Set it like that, into the oven we go. Got a gammon joint which I'm going to place into the air fryer and cook for half hour, 45 minutes I suppose, until cooked. There you go. So we got it on 200, gonna go 45 minutes, go, easy as that. There you go, 10 minutes of cooking. Got 200ml of milk, 140 grams of flour, plain flour, and I've got 4 eggs. Just going to mix the eggs. Mix and mixed. Flour in a bowl. Eggs in. Gradually add some milk. Chuck it all in there. Mix it until creamy. Creamy? Oh, mix until it's no longer lumpy. There you go. Got a muffin tray. Just going to put a bit of oil in each one. A bit more in that one. There we go. I'm just going to stick that in the oven for a couple of minutes just to heat up a bit. Oh, there you go, look. I've got it out and I didn't push record, but never mind. This mixture will make 12 Yorkshire puddings. Might be a bit too much. I guess I'll find out when I... There we go. Lovely. Achieved. Another one. That's cooked, that is. Whoa. That's probably not the right words.
Better edit that bit out.
Yorkshire pudds turned out alright. Bit of gravy. Just want to turn the kettle on first, shall I? I'm recording. Peppered gravy. There you go. Dinner for another weekend done. I'll see you later, everyone. Have a great day. Bye bye now.